अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वंस अगेन आई एम बैक विद अनदर वीडियो। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू रिमूव प्रॉपरली एंड वायरसेस फ्रॉम योर पीसी एंड सिक्योर योर पीसी वन स्कैन बैक एंड improve the computer speed on back normally. So how you can do that? First of all, we will clean all the entry point of viruses. So let's clean them first, and then I will show you the free antivirus that help you to protect your PC. For 15 days you can just clean your PC and uninstall them. That's it. Now how you can do that? So click on the Windows icon, then type run, and here is the applications computer app run command prompt. So just open it, or simply you can just hold the Windows icon and then press R button to open run command. Now here you need to type clean mgr, so it will open the cleanup drive section. Now here you need to choose the drive that you think is infected, like mostly our primary drive is C, where we install every software and Windows, so we need to clean the C drive. So choose the C drive and click on OK. That's not important, that's only the C drive. It depends on you where your Windows operating system is installed, so choose that driver. And now here you need to check all these options for cache, clean the cache, and also clean up system files. So click on it, it will scan one scan, and now this time it will include the Windows updates, cache, etc. So we need to clean them. Take some times because I did so many updates of Windows, so now it will take time. I know in your case might be it's don't take much time, more than 2 minutes. So now once again need to open run command prompt. So hold the Windows icon and press R button, and here we need to type this time tree, and it will just take a few seconds only, and hit enter. That's it, your work is finished. Now the last thing we need to do here, open again run command prompt, Windows plus R button, and here we need to type prefetch. That's it. Okay, now first part is completed. Now just delete files, and now it's deleting all caches and junk files. Okay, now prefetch folder is open here. Just click on the continue, and it will appear here the files. Okay, control plus A to select all these, and hold the shift plus delete, so delete all these files. Okay, now some files will not be deleting right now, just because they are working on our background. So sorry for bad English, actually I'm not good, but just trying for you. Okay, now the last step is just open the Windows security, and if you don't have Windows security, or just some reasons you just uninstall the Windows security, you can download any antivirus. I will recommend you in description, just check out the description. Malwarebytes is the best software for you, and it's free. You can just download it and scan your PC easily. It will show you all the viruses after scanning your PCs, and that's it, you can delete them all. Now here in Windows securities, virus and threads, and here you need to just scan the quick scan that will help you to scan your PC from virus and delete them. Now if still your PC performs slow, you can reset your PC easily. Just open the Windows icon and type here the reset PC, and as you can see here, I'm in the settings of PC. Reset this PC, and as many videos I just show this process so many times, because this is the perfect solution for reset your PC. So just reset your PC and keep any file, keep my files. That means you are just resetting your PC Windows, just like reinstall the Windows and clean all unnecessary registry files, and just heal up your Windows with this process. you can just renew your Windows. And if you are selling, then you can go the second option as well. And in this section, cloud download means if you have a good router internet connection, then you can go with cloud download, because it will help you to reheal your Windows operating system through the cloud computer. And if you have already a clean installed Windows, then you can go with local reinstall. That means your Windows will just renew and your performance will be healed. I hope this video helpful for you. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. मिलते हैं next video में. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा and please share your issues in the comment box. I will get back to you and will help you. I like your feedback. Please drop your feedback and hit the subscribe button. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.